Let's learn the names of flowers. Rose. This is a rose. Rose. This is a rose. Aster. This is an aster. Aster. This is an aster. Lily. This is a lily. Lily. This is a lily. Tulip. This is a tulip. Tulip. This is a tulip. Buttercup. This is a buttercup. Buttercup. This is a buttercup. Daffodil. This is a daffodil. Daffodil. This is a daffodil. Jasmine. This is a jasmine. Jasmine. This is a jasmine. Datura. This is a datura. Datura. This is a datura. Daisy. This is a daisy. Daisy. This is a daisy. Sweet violet. This is a sweet violet. Sweet violet. This is a sweet violet. Sunflower. This is a sunflower. Sunflower. This is a sunflower. Marigold. This is a marigold. Marigold. This is a marigold. Coxcomb. This is a coxcomb. Coxcomb. This is a coxcomb. Periwinkle. This is a periwinkle. Periwinkle. This is a periwinkle. Lotus. This is a lotus. Lotus. This is a lotus. Hibiscus. This is a hibiscus. Hibiscus. This is a hibiscus.